Hey everybody, PCB Junkie back with a quick video. So I have here an old Ryobi bandsaw that I use for various projects. And typically, most common thing that I use this thing for is cutting little panel, wooden panel like this, or other thin materials, but nothing thicker than maybe a 1/4 inch. Anyway, I was working on cutting some stuff one day, and I heard a loud bang, which was then followed by some metallic scratching, and of course your heart jumps out of your chest. That's probably the last thing you want to hear when you're working with a bandsaw. You check all your fingers first and realize nothing's wrong. So I shut off the thing and I went to check inside, and sure enough I found that the rubber tire, that thing has just fully disintegrated, and chunks of it are flying around inside. And well, I still had the job to finish, so I thought, what is it that I can use before I order a new set to let me finish that job. I mean, it's just a little bit of material, and the old tire didn't seem like quality. This is a new one, and it's fairly similar to the old one, except the old one had a bunch of cracks in it, and just it was just basically falling apart. You could just peel it off and crack it with your fingers. I thought, okay, what is it that I can use? And believe it or not, I found that some tape, masking tape, is probably the best thing to substitute for an old bandsaw tire. Let me open this thing up and show you. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it's just a layer of tape. I taped this until the height of the tape reached the approximate thickness of the old tire, and I just kind of let it run around for a while, and it kind of wore in, and seems to provide the right type of surface. So it's not slippery, but it also packed in quite well, and it behaves quite like the old tire. So I'm gonna turn this thing on. Hopefully the blade doesn't jump off and cut off my hand, but yeah, let's fire this thing up. Yeah, and as you can see, both wheels have it installed, and like I said, it's quite amazing how well this thing works. So if you ever need to do this, if this is an emergency, you need to get your cutting complete, this may be an alternative for you. Or if you're cheap like me and just don't want to spend the money, maybe this is a good option as well. I'm going to show you the surface of the tape with the blade off. So as you can see, it's covered by I guess some dirt, but have a look at the surface. It's quite clean. There are no tears, no rips. You would think that the metal blade would rip up the tape, but no, it doesn't. So yeah, it's like I said, quite amazing that a soft material like this can stand up to the test of guiding a sharp metal blade under that amount of tension. So what I will do now is I'll rip this off and give you another look, and I'll go and reinstall the brand new set. And of course, one of the benefits of having very soft masking tape is how easily this thing will come off. Just simply stab a screwdriver in there and pull up on it until it rips. Of course, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's not gonna go it's not gonna go that well, but does seem to work. There we go. And as you can see, if I can ever get to the bottom of this, it's just masking tape. I wasn't lying. Yeah, anyway, this is going to be it for this video. I know this is a crazy topic, and you guys are probably all having a riot, laughing your ass off, but yeah, this does seem to work. Now, before you do this on your own bandsaw, just be aware that there's a lot of sharp parts moving at very high speeds in here, and if anything goes wrong, you know, it could be your fingers that are going to pay for that mistake. So just be careful. Okay, so this will be it for this video. I'll continue to remove this tape and reinstall the new one, and hopefully when I do install everything back, it continues to run smoothly, and I'll have all the parts, all my fingers and limbs to make another video later. Alright everybody, hopefully you enjoyed this and got some ideas, and hopefully that helps you in the future, and if not, at least maybe it was a little bit entertaining. So, as always, if you did enjoy this, please leave a like or subscribe, and I'll probably continue to make more videos. I'm having quite a lot of fun doing these. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.